3.
Good afternoon, doctor. I'm Zenzel from Verilis Pharmaceutical, and I'm here with my co-counterparts. Their name is Omar from Laguna, and Emily from Laguna, Sena, and Mr. Ryan from Batangas. So first of all, I would like to thank to you to give me a chance to present my company and even my products. So working from Verilis. Verilis is coming from a Latin word which means true wealth. So we are here because your wealth is the health of your patients is our passion. So we are having a corporate setup. Of course, we started registered on SEC on September 14, October 8, and on BIRs on October 3, 2010. Innovations are created by asking what's feasible but pursuing paths beyond existing. It means to say, doctors, that we are giving you the latest infos and latest study regarding in our product, and of course, in the tip of your fingers, we go beyond and no existing limits. And we go in our philosophy. In our company's philosophies, we are dedicated ourselves to providing quality medicines and product health that enhance lives of people and improve the way they live every day. So we are to quest to provide high-quality pharmaceuticals products to improve the quality of life of people and to help provide innovative opportunities and through our e-business technologies. And aside from that, doctors, we are committed also to grow the strength in order to touch more lives, providing innovative opportunities, and through a business provided financial and freedom of our clients. Who are we? We are the Verilis Pharmaceutical, the first company to practice the e-promotions and e-detailing. And of course, doctors, we also provide the informations on demand and specify the doctor specialization. So we are here to give you an easiest way just to gather some information regarding our company for a website. You can check our information about our company in our web. And in our partners for these industries is Lupin Pharmaceuticals. Lupin is one of the world's leading manufacturers of drugs that combat tuberculosis and bacterial infections and cardiovascular diseases. Our portfolio to medications is manufactured global scale. Of course, the US FDA and UK MCA class include NSAIDs, COX-2 inhibitors, and several phytomedicines. And our headquarters in Lupin is in Mumbai. Lupin Limited, leading in pharmaceutical company with strong research focus. It has program developing new chemical entities. The company also has a state-of-art and research in a center spanning 20,000 acres in Pune and employing over 180 scientists with over 130 patents to date. And of course, we're proud to say, doctors, that our product has successfully USFDA certification for 11 manufacturing facilities. It is also issued US FDA approved fermentations for plants rifampicin, and also this certified World Health Organization's manufactured facility for tuberculosis products. And in our manufactured partners, Lupin received the Best New Manufactured Year Award from America's Virgin, because America's Virgin is a healthcare distribution in the US. The award is recognition of Lupin's contributions and commitment toward excellence as a generic